Greetings, everybody. I hope you're well. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on item bank questions. So follow along if you want help. When you are at the Home tab, make sure it says CMS Middle or High, whichever one that you are working with. Then you will go to Assessments. It will be a little slow because, again, it's recording a video. The first thing before you even create an assessment, you need to add your questions to the bank. So you will hit Item Bank. All right, now we need to add an item. So we're going to hit add. We see right here that it says CMS Social Studies Bank. So it's good. It's already at the right bank and everything. So the question conventions, they need to be similar so that way you can find your question. So I'm going to call this 7th grade unit 1 question 1. It's going to be a multiple choice question. What is the subject? It is social studies. Our core, you need to make sure you picked unpacked. For class, make sure you pick, 7th grade. The standard, make sure you know what your standard is for that question and write it down. So the standard I'm gonna probably select is a history standard. So we'll just do 7H.1. You don't have to fill out any of this Bloom's difficulty. You can just now hit continue. All right. So I would have my assessment screen up, ready to go. So just make sure that you have that Google document there. I'm gonna hit Control right click. I'm gonna paste my question. Oh, there it is right there. I'm gonna also paste my multiple choice um, questions. So let's just pretend, just for time, I'm putting in the answers, possible answers. Remembering I need my test to be out of 100 points. So make sure you've adjusted for that correctly for the point value. Then you need to select an answer. I'll select this last one. I'll hit shuffle options because I do want the options to be shuffled. The next thing I'll do is click Save as a Draft. The reason why is just for protection. I want to get one last look at the test question before I publish it. Because once I publish it, you cannot edit it. So make sure everything is like you want it. It has the naming convention that you want. It looks good. Then if you need to edit it, you can go back and do that. Once you hit publish, it'll give you this little screen. Once an item is published, I understand. You will click OK. And that is how you create an item or a question for the bank. The next video will show you how to move those from the bank to an assessment. Thank you so much.